combined team of Imphal East Commando, Women Police and 26 Assam Rifles apprehended an active cadre of proscribed group KCP Noyon from Yairipok Thambalnu market yesterday. The cadre has been identified as Nambram Nandini Chanu alias Saihobi, age 20, daughter of N. Tomba Maite from Kaibi Lausangkhong Makhalaikai of Imphal East District. Nandini has been handed over to Andhra Police for further legal action. Manipur took 29 gold, 14 silver and 7 bronze medals at the 8th AITWF National Traditional Wrestling and Prankathon Championship 2019 to become first runners-up team. The championship was held at LB Indoor Stadium, Hyderabad, Telangana from November 21st to 24. Maharashtra won the team champion with 98 gold medals. Host Telangana took second runners-up with 20 gold medals. Delhi Queer Pride Committee organized the 12th Delhi Queer Pride March yesterday at the intersection of Barakhambi Road and Tolstoy Marg and culminated at Jantar Mantar. This year, the Pride Parade mainly addressed their agitation against the passing of Transgender Bill 2019, which was introduced in Lok Sabha on July 19, 2019 by the Minister of Social Justice and Empowerment, Thawarchand Gehlot, and has now passed by Lok Sabha on 5th August. Queer Pride Parade is organized every last Sunday of November since 2008 to honor and celebrate queer community and their supporters. Animal sacrifice was carried out at Tripura Sundari Temple in the state yesterday, however, with certain restrictions. Around 30 to 40 goats were sacrificed at the Tripura Sundari Temple. Officials said the practice was begun as per an interim order of the Supreme Court.